Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Yoast SEO WordPress. First, you will need to install and activate the Yoast SEO plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, you can easily find its dedicated menu in your admin panel. This powerful tool offers a comprehensive suite of features, including detailed SEO and readability analyses, helping you understand and improve your content's performance right from the start. It's your first step towards better search engine visibility. Optimizing your content is straightforward with Yoast SEO. Begin by selecting a strong focus key phrase for every post or page. The plugin then provides real-time feedback through its SEO analysis, guiding you to improve elements like keyword density and internal linking. Pay close attention to the readability analysis, aiming for a green light by making your text easy to understand. Finally, craft engaging SEO titles and meta descriptions to attract more clicks from search results. Beyond the basics, Yoast SEO offers several advanced features to fine-tune your site. You can easily configure your XML sitemaps, ensuring search engines efficiently discover all your important content. Take control of how your content appears on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter by customizing sharing settings. Additionally, manage indexing with noindex tags for pages you don't want search engines to show, and implement schema markup for richer, more informative search results. SEO is an ongoing process, and Yoast SEO helps you maintain your efforts. Make it a habit to regularly review your content's SEO and readability scores, making adjustments as needed. As your content evolves or new trends appear, update your focus key phrases to stay relevant. Utilize the plugin's integrated tools to monitor your site's performance over time, staying informed about the latest SEO best practices, and Yoast SEO updates will ensure your site remains competitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.